Okay, so for my new big, I decided to build my own computer because I wanted to learn more about hardware, and building my own computer seemed a very good way to do that. So I hope you enjoy. Here's the interior of the computer without any of the wires all connected. Right there is my video card, which took forever to try to get in because those screws did not align originally, so it took a lot of finagling. Yeah, so we just booted up the computer and we're going to insert the Windows just into the optical drive. So it can download, got it? Press it in. See what happens.
Good sound.
Mm-hmm. Oh, by the way, say hi, Dad.
Hey.
Okay, I'll resume this when something actually happens. Okay, so the Windows symbol just appeared and I'm very happy. So it should just start installing what I'm going to use for the rest of my life, essentially. So, yay.
Buy a Mac.
Dad.
Get
Yeah,
a
this
Mac.
guy, he worked for Apple for how long?
17 years.
Yes. And now I have a Windows computer. You must be so proud.
I'm proud that you built the computer.
Okay. That's close enough. Okay, so the OS finally installed. Turns out I was just pressing the wrong button the entire time. Not happy. Anyway, my mouse isn't really here yet, so I can't do much. But look, I have a functioning OS. It's great. I don't know how to use Windows, but it's great. Okay. Okay, so I finally got a Wi-Fi card. It's just a USB one right there, just chilling in the back. But so I'm upgrading my computer to Windows 10, and after that's done, I will be done. It automatically installed all my drivers for me, because Windows does that for you sometimes, and it's great. So I'm done. I'm very happy. I now have a fully functioning computer, and I'm pretty satisfied with it.